Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete messages on Fiverr. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Fiverr app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom, you're gonna see options like Home, Messages, Search, Orders, and your user icon. Tap on Messages, then look for the message that you want to delete. Go ahead, once you find it, swipe the message to the left, then 3 options will appear on the screen. From those 3 options, tap on More, then a small menu will appear from the bottom of the screen, from where you're gonna have to tap on Delete, then select Delete again from the screen. Then you're successfully delete the message on Fiverr. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.